Good evening, friends. Today I am your chef. I am cooking one delicious dish: how to fry chicken with lemongrass with hot chili. First of all, you must have the chicken and chop it into smaller pieces. Here we are. We have chopped the chicken into smaller pieces and put on the plate, ready for the fry with the hot chili. Then next you also slide the lemongrass into smaller pieces as well, so that it helps you to easily fry the chicken mixed with the lemongrass. Then cut the chili into small pieces as well. Here we are. We have all the ingredients: the white garlic, and we have the lamb leaf, the chicken chop, the lemongrass slice, and the cut of the chilies. Next is to heat up your frying pan. Get it ready for the whole fry of the chicken with hot chili. Here we are. So we fry all the ingredients and then lastly put the chicken into the fry pan and stir it. Make sure you have all the ingredients mixed well with the chicken. After frying for a while, then you put the chicken powder to give the taste stronger and more tasty into the chicken meat, and the brown sugar to compromise and make it a little bit sweeter. Then we put the soy fish to make the taste mix up with sweet and a little bit salty. Sweet salty. Continue to put more sugar, so to add the taste sweeter a little bit after we put the soy fish. And then put some water to help moisture and soften the chicken meat. Then lastly we put some more salt to make the taste stronger, sweeter, and also a little bit salty, so it mixes up the taste that very delicious. So you see now the chicken fry look great and tasty. It's ready to serve. It's now ready on the plate, and the rice there is ready for the tasting. So I will taste the taste of the fried chicken with the plain rice. Hope it will be tasty and yummy for this evening dinner. So it is my opportunity to cook for the family for our dinner meal tonight. Also have the Chinese kale pickle that will be adding taste to the chicken and the rice. Here I am going to taste the chicken fry with the pickle. Please join me. This will be a really taste that I cook myself for the dinner. and with the family will be enjoy together with me later on. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you like it.